Kremlins, airplane factories, and the Russian Atlantis? Here's yet another corner of the largest country on Earth, and like all the others, it's jam-packed with lots of interesting facts. It's called Nizhny Novgorod, and we're gonna talk about it today. Hello and welcome to 7 Facts. Nizhny Novgorod, an oblast as big as the Czech Republic, sitting right in the middle of European Russia. And yet, very few people ever heard about this place. This region is one of Russia's most industrialized, but factories aren't the only things you'll see here. First of all, over half of the oblast is covered by forests. Second, there are lots of really old monasteries and historic towns spread all over the place. I know, you don't really care. But I'm here to tell you that you should. To understand why, you'll need to stick around a bit more. Nizhny Novgorod, meaning Lower Newtown, first appeared on maps in 1220 AD when Grand Duke Yuri II of Vladimir took these lands from the Bulgars and founded a new city. It was engulfed by the Grand Duchy of Moscow fairly quickly, about 2 centuries later, and of course a lot of things happened during this time. But the most notable and difficult period was much more recent. During World War II, the oblast's capital, then called Gorky, was a main target for the Luftwaffe. You see, the Gorky automobile plant, or GAZ, was responsible for manufacturing the T-60 infantry tanks. Not only that, but Nizhny Novgorod was the main center of the Volga region where industry and state authorities were concentrated. The city and oblast became the biggest provider of military equipment to the Eastern Front. As a result, between 1941 and 1943, Gorky was subject to no less than 43 air raids. Officially, 618 people perished during the bombings, but that number of course could be a lot higher. The infrastructure, though, suffered heavy damages, although factories were often rebuilt in record times. Even so, living in Nizhny Novgorod during those years was probably one of the most terrible experiences one can imagine. The city of Nizhny Novgorod, the capital of the oblast, is today one of Russia's biggest cities. It's a bustling cosmopolitan city of 1.2 million, where Russian industry, innovation and technology meet head-on with historic buildings, art galleries, museums and everything in between. For all intents and purposes, this is one of Russia's best places to visit if you wish to connect with their history and culture. A large number of old buildings survived to this day, so there are plenty of sights to enjoy. Want to become a student and learn about the world? There are 8 universities, 3 academies, 5 research institutes and a conservatory to choose from. Would you rather invest? Well, you're in luck, because Nizhny Novgorod has one of the best performing economies in the whole of Russia. Given these facts, of course it comes as no surprise that in 2019, Nizhny Novgorod was recognized as the best city in Russia in terms of quality of life. While you're taking a stroll through the streets of the capital, don't forget to take a good look at Nizhny Novgorod's Kremlin. Don't worry, it's pretty hard to miss. The city's Kremlin, or fortress, has been around since the 1500s and it's an impressive sight to behold. Once upon a time, this fortress was the sole protection of the people from Tatar raids and sieges and became a stronghold that protected Moscow. Nowadays, of course, it has no military significance anymore, but is a delight to the eyes. All 13 towers of the Kremlin still stand proud, watching over the people, while inside you'll find an art museum, a concert hall, all the governing bodies of the oblast, gardens and squares. It's not every day that you get to walk inside a medieval fortress, so if by any chance you find yourself in Nizhny Novgorod, visiting the Kremlin is an absolute must. A long time ago, the region of Nizhny Novgorod became a centerpiece of international trade. During the 17th century, inside the walls of the Makariev monastery, the largest merchant fair in Eastern Europe was held. Thousands of merchants from all over Russia, India, Iran and Central Europe came to this place to trade every year. In the 1800s, Tsar Alexander I decided to move the fair to a new location inside the city of Nizhny Novgorod. At this new location, the fair consisted of 60 buildings, 2,500 bazaars and 8,000 exhibits with goods for sale, along with a broad range of performances for the public. This fair was a commerce center to sell up to half of the total production of export goods in Russia. During those years, this place was a rich, multicultural meeting ground, a giant market like no other. But, as all things, the Nizhny Novgorod fair also had to end. In 1929, it reached its end and ceased to exist. Did you know there's such a thing as the Russian Atlantis? Well, some people call it that anyway. There's a tale about a lost mythical city called Kitezh that disappeared beneath the waters of Lake Svetloyar. Legend has it that the Grand Prince of Vladimir, Gorky II, built this city sometime in the 13th century. After conquering Russian lands, the Mongol ruler Batu Khan heard of Kitezh and wanted it. He took some prisoners who told him about a secret path to Lake Svetloyar, where this city was supposed to be. They found it and was surprised to see that there were no fortifications, no defenses, nothing. The people inside the city didn't even intend to defend themselves. Instead, they were praying, all of them, asking God to save them. The Mongols rushed to attack, but were stopped. All around them, water was bursting from underground, so they fell back and watched as the town submerged into the lake. The last thing they saw was a glaring dome of a cathedral with a cross on top of it. It is said that only those pure of heart can sometimes hear the sound of bells, the people singing and chanting, and the lights of religious processions on the bottom of the lake. In the last World War, Nizhny Novgorod was a major military-industrial complex, and as I said, that made them a target for the enemy. But this city retained its status to this day. One of the largest aircraft manufacturers in Russia, the Sokol aircraft plant, is located here. They are the manufacturers of the world-famous MiGs, having been around since 1932. In all the decades it's been around, this factory produced over 14,000 combat aircrafts. While in the 90s the company really struggled financially, that is no longer the case today, so it's more than likely that a good chunk of Russian military planes will continue to come from Nizhny Novgorod. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Leave your comments downstairs and don't forget there's a Patreon page where you can support this channel. I hope to see you next time. Bye.